It's definitely gonna give me a heart attack with all the rocks these guys are climbing. I can only catch one of them if they all fall at the same time. So I'm trying to make up in my mind which one I would dive to rescue. It's kind of a cool spot up here, huh?
Yeah, and there's a bunch of lakes and it's a great view. I'm going to tumble this down. Tumble, 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 tumble.
So that was the Beebe Springs natural area. Actually wasn't that excited about this spot when we first pulled up. It's such a small little area right off the highway. But pretty quickly left the trail behind and ended up having just a really cool time. The kids doing little scrambles, and I'm not sure it was parent friendly, as most of the time I was trying to decide which child I would save if one of them fell off the cliff. Tough choice.